Yummy stuff.
Yeah, yay!
Yeah, somebody did. So guys, let's cut the stuff and we can start.
So now, wow.
Woo!
Told me.
Wow.
Everything like Maria told me.
You got so much stuff, thank you.
Yay, no problem. And this is the best thing.
Yeah, you can already put it on the table.
So where's the chopping board, please? And I'm gonna get a knife. Chumo!
Chomo. You remember, wow.
Yeah, this one's easy, but I forgot the shut up.
Закройся.
That's too hard.
Did I tell another version?
No, it's this one. But закройся. Закройся?
Настя, як сказати закрийся? Закрийся. Ні, інша версія, типу легше.
Both okay for me.
So, potatoes.
Potatoes.
Potatoes. Potatoes, potatoes. Let's take this girl. And...
So you assume it's gender?
Sorry?
You assume it's gender?
Of course.
What?
Just what? She said she wanted to take a plate, yeah, and she said let's take her, and it's like you assume the gender.
Of course I do. Yeah, you
I slice it like.
Oh yeah, I want to ask. Where did you get the board? I want to get one from my mom.
Board?
Yeah, the cutting board. The wooden.
This one?
Yeah, the fancy.
I think it's like super expensive. It looks like.
I have no idea.
Just take it from me.
I got the camera.
Yeah, that's what they have to do today. I'm saying.
I hate it.
Same. My sister also had an interview today. Her first interview for.
So we do it like. Es habe ich persönlich gekocht. Und dies hat mich inspiriert. Mit ihrer Schönheit.
Okay, got you on the camera.
Ja, no way. Aber das ist nicht absichtlich gemacht. Und ich komme von der anderen Seite.
Okay. Yeah, gespiegelt, ja. Was offen?
So, we can start with putting some stuff.
Oh,
Paprika.
Okay. So can I get a cheese?
Yeah, I'm trying to
It's
open
for
it.
cheese.
It's for cheese.
No, it's for you can put everything.
So yeah,
Like mainly you put like all the veggies and then you can add like cheese on top and then put it inside. So everything like nice.
oh, it smells so bad. Oh my.
What, the cheese?
The cheese.
Why?
I know.
You've eaten it before, right?
Yeah, but it smells so bad.
Oh, I smell.
I love smelly cheese. Oh my god.
You sure it tastes good? You like eating it? Ivan?
But it's really so.
Okay. But I don't think it's bad.
Right, it's not bad. It's the cheese.
It's good cheese.
Yeah. The cheese that smells the most is the best.
Okay, then I put it there. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Too hungry.
With my
Good appetit, everyone. Oh, yeah, sorry.
have to finish it today.
Okay.
No one's leaving. Yeah.
It's hot. It's hot. And you make it like this. Thank you. Yeah, but first of all, what is inside of it?
It's Frischkäse, then Schmand, something like
kind of cream.
Yeah, like cream, like heavy cream, you know. And then dates. Dates.
Cool.
And yeah. It's something Indian, I think.
Cheese.
Good that we did the second.
Oh, it's so wow. Can I film you guys a little bit like this?
Yeah, sure.
Hey.
Yummy.
So what do we do now? Like we just like
Yeah, you can just put it like that.
like this.
First then do raclette. Yeah, just like with a knife or something. Yeah. And then just eat it with bread or eat it like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's good. And the cheese. Good. Yummy.
It's good. It doesn't stink anymore.
Yeah, no, the cheese is good.
The cheese is good.
Oh, you already.
Not age fast.
So
it's an option.
Good try. So I'm gonna do it. Always think for the future. Yeah. Sorry, send me his number. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ivan. Happy birthday to you. Did you make a wish? No. One more time.
Thank you.
And I finally remember your gift. So.
You can put it on. Is it? But it's just for me with the cake, right?
Yeah, of course. If you can finish, yes.
Es ist so viel Druck, sodass die Suppe...
I hug you.
Okay. Alles gut. Oh mein Gott.
Is it getting? It keeps getting good angle. Cute. Good angle.
Yeah, nice. In Folie bestimmt.
That's so cute, Julina. Thank you.
So zu machen auf dem Eis ist so mega schwer. Ich sag's dir. Oder zum Beispiel so von Händen laufen.
So how about like this?
Ja, just Meisterschaft teilgenommen.
Just like this.
Hat letztes Mal vor. Also, nur bei Deutschland. In Deutschland ist kannst du nicht quasi in die Olympia.
Yay! And the
Das nicht so lange für Deutschland.
Wow! Thank you!
There's still like... There's the rest.
Guys, you want some?
Oh, I like this. I like
Try
this
a bite.
thing.
Yeah!
I like this stuff.
So, to Iman.
Ooh.
I like it's not too sweet. It's not too sweet.
So, erste Frage. Wie viel Volt haben die Steckdosen in Japan? Japan? Wie viel Volt? Nein!
220.
300. Nein.
No! 200!
Nein. Iman, just try.
I think I know. Wait.
Vielleicht weniger.
No, you can't ask it!
180?
Vielleicht. Was?
180?
Put with your...
180?
Nein.
100.
Yay! Really? So low.
Wie viele Tage dauert eine Schwangerschaft bei Menschen durchschnittlich? Schwangerschaft is like pregnant?
305.
No.
Times 9 is
98.
270?
Faster. 280.
80, yes. Why?
Mein Gott. Wie viele Kilokalorien hat ein Big Mac? Big Mac.
How do I know?
500?
Wow! No.
1,200.
No.
380?
No, you are... It was my childhood dream to have a window
On the ceiling?
Yeah.
Okay. I was picking the film from the door. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Is it coming? Alive? I guess.
bite off, yeah. Oh, please.
This is easy.
Yeah, and you can see when it is falling.
Done.
Yeah, no, more. Yeah. I also like to add some zucchini or kind of.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, that would be nice. I don't have.
it's okay. It's okay. Like traditional way is without.
Okay. Whoa.
Yum yum. Wait a minute. I have to. These guys are stuck.
I'm gonna eat the rest.
Of course. Get rid of it. So I added a little bit more salt and that's all. So emotional, wow. Ah, no, wait, no. I need some more of this stuff.
When can I flip it? Then.
20 more seconds.
So now?
Just take it out. You can flip one and then you will see it.
So I flip. Is it good? No?
Yeah, looks fine. Yeah, good.
Yeah. It's good.
Perfect.
Oh, no.
Shit. You tried. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, good. Don't make it too thick.
Too sick.
Yeah, because it's like too thick, it fries under.
So like this.
Yeah. It's very.
Well, which side?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like the plate as well.
It's very nice.
Yay. Oh, let me try the salmon again. Yeah, no big difference. Not really.
I told you.
So sad. Oh no.
The pumpkin is very good.
Yeah, there's a butternut. So nice.
It's always on. I'm always. Yeah, it's good, but I'm always confused about the name of these. I don't know why. Apart.
Really?
Yeah. Yesterday was perfect day. Yeah.
Okay, we'll put it here. You're supposed to roll it or what?
Yeah.
It's good. That's it. I'm making it.
No, wait, what?
Huh? Wait. Oh, you make it a small one?
Yeah, small one. Small.
Come on.
No, you can add some more. Let me try.
So you open it? Like
Just adding some more.
Okay.
Like this.
I think my ass is wet.
I think my shoe is wet.
Okay.
No!
Good!
And like this, the head.
So...
Nice, man. You're so handsome.
It's a fake snowman? Snowman.
Nice snowman. Very well done. It was a very fast snowman building.
We're supposed to do the snowman on the first day of the snow? Like
No, not the first day, but yeah, when... Yeah.
Oh, so
Wait a minute.
one day after.
Tomorrow it will be better.
Ah.
Tomorrow it's gonna be warmer and it's gonna be melting. So when it is wet,
Yeah.
it's melting and it's super sticky.
You have to go like this.
I'm so lazy. Hello.
How lazy are you today?
I'm super lazy. I don't know. I will go home
go to shower.
And then you're asleep. I know.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I forgot my GoPro.
Is it recording? Hello. You will see my face.
What is which? No, suddenly he's there. It's wider. I don't know how would it turn out. Oh, maintain. Okay, I got it.